Aloha, beautiful souls. Did you know that your emotions are the most powerful songwriting tool you already have? Today we are going to turn those feelings into music, and guess what? You don't need to be a musical genius to do it. You just need to feel. So grab your toy, take a deep breath, and let's dive into the magic of free play through emotions. Welcome, my radiant community of free spirits and fearless songwriters. I'm so thrilled you're here with me today because we are about to embark our very special journey. You've learned maybe chords, studied or explored to play the scales, and maybe you even touch on the chakras. But today we are going straight to the heart, your heart. And I choose the key of F because it's the key of the heart chakra. Music isn't just about playing notes or following rules, it's about expression, freedom, and above all, emotions. So whether you're feeling joy, sadness, anger, or peace, every emotion is valid and beautiful in its own way. And guess what? You can turn those emotions into your own original music. I call this art of emotional free play. So no theory is needed, just your heart and your toy you prefer. Whether it's a ukulele, a banjo, a guitarlele, or a guitar. Grab and play. So let's start with something simple. I'm going to show you how certain chords can even express different emotions. So I was talking about the heart today, so I think we talk about the F major chord. F major, that chord feels like a deep breath of fresh air. It's the musical equivalent of stepping into a calm, sunlit forest. It's uplifting, crowning, and it's just a little bit fancy, I would say. And have you realized I betrayed a little bit with the F chord? I preferred of playing the F major chord because we can also play the regular F major chord, but it's a bar chord. I enjoy it too, but now I want to dive deep into my emotions, and I prefer the F major 7 chord just for easiness. But if you want to be a superhero, play the regular F major chord as a bar chord on the guitar or a baritone ukulele. Otherwise, the F on a regular uke is like this. Anyway, let's talk about the second chord. And now I played a major chord, and I think I wanna play the relative minor chord, and so we play the D minor. Feel that the D minor, the melancholy poet of the chord family, it's like sipping a cup of tea or coffee on a rainy day while writing in your journal of songwriting. It's deep, it's introspective and a little mysterious. But don't worry, it's the good kind of melancholy, the kind that makes you feel all the feels in the best way possible. Alrighty, now that we've got our emotional palette, let's paint a picture together. I'm going to improvise a little bit and I want to listen you closely, not for perfection, but for feeling. So the first thing I do, just playing the chords. And the more you work out with the song, you start doing strumming patterns. A waltz turned out, and I switched between picking and strumming and played some parts of the scale. And that is what you should feel and start. Don't expect something special or say, I have to do this and I have to do that. Just listen to your heart. F is for the heart. D is for the sacral chakra. So both can be connected, and maybe that is the reason why I choose the waltz. I wanted those both parts be connected lovely, so I turned into a lovely waltz. So you see, I didn't expect anything from my musical techniques, or I let my heart and my music speak through the instrument. And that is the art of free play. That is, listen to your heart. That are your emotions. Take a deep breath, feel inside and think about it, or just feel it, not thinking. Emotions. So you see, there is no right, there is no wrong. When it comes to free play, the music that comes out is a direct reflection of what's happening inside of you, and it isn't that beautiful. It's raw, it's real, and it's yours. So thank you so far for joining me on this soulful journey today. And if you find this helpful so far, make sure to give me a thumb up or subscribe so you will never miss the next adventure of free play. And if you are ready to dive deeper, you can join me on my workshops and explore more things on this creative and healing journey, or grab some of my free PDFs, which are in the description below, and be my partner in crime in this soulful musical journey. So anyway, let's dive more deeper in this concept, writing songs through emotions. because I want you now to go ahead. So now it's your turn, and I want you to pause this video now and take a moment to connect with yourself. How are you feeling today? Are you carrying some joy? Are you carrying some tension? Or some love? Or maybe even some uncertainty? Whatever it is, it's perfect. Grab your toy and let those feelings flow through your heart, fingers. Play a chord or my chords that feels right. Strum a rhythm that reflects your inner world and just be. So push the pause button and see you later, alligator. Hey, you're back. It was a pleasure for me waiting for you. How was it going? What did your emotion tell you to speak through your toy, through your music? If you were brave, share your experience here underneath the video in the comments. What emotions came up for you? What did you feel? What did your free play sound like? Remember, you are a part of a loving, supportive community here, and we are all learning together. Please share what was happening with you. Please do me a favor. Until next time, keep playing from your heart. Stay beautiful, you, and remember, your music is already inside of you, just waiting to be set free. Peace, love, and infinite melodies, my beautiful soul. See you for the next tutorial in song, Doña.